Hi guys, welcome to the chapter 2 of week 3. In this chapter we'll be basically looking at how the mind reads shapes, and again I'll be using this pastels and markers, maybe just pastels. And in this chapter I'll show you that it's really necessary to actually do some value changes if you really want the shapes to come out. As you've seen in the last video where I'm trying to actually take out a shape using a pastel, I'll basically repeat the same procedure, but I'll do it more carefully so that you actually see a sphere coming out of a wall. So let's get going. So here is my first stroke. So I'll just make a wall first. I'm going out and making a wall. So immediately you will start seeing some sort of shape there. Just darken it a little bit more. And there's another thing with pastels is that you really need to keep your hand dry. You can see that the places like here I'm actually leaving finger marks. That's because my hand is not that clean. It has a little bit of oil in that, so you have to keep in your mind that your hand should be really dry before you start applying it on a paper, applying pastels on the paper. So here you go. You basically make a circle around which shows that it's a wall, and then we'll basically start using our pastels to take out the shape from here. And this is what I'll start with. Dark shape, and immediately looks like the ball is coming out of the wall, and that's only because our mind always reads things as it is lighted from the top. So just refine this little bit. And here we go. You basically have a ball coming out of a wall, part of it coming out of a wall in seconds. And this is the advantage of using your pastels. It's so fast to work with. And I'll use just the talcum powder to make it look even more smooth, graded. And what you see here is basically an example of a brain interpreting light coming from the top. This happens because we have been seeing things always being lighted from the top, because the natural source of light is always from the top, which is basically sun. So from the childhood we are actually seeing things lit from the top, and immediately when there's a shadow beneath, you feel as if the things are projecting out. So if you see otherwise, you see a dimple there. So when you get slightly more darker, you basically see a dimple there. And again, because our mind actually reads things as it's been lit from the top. So this is the demo, and maybe we can use this feature to actually do all these renderings, and in future videos and chapters you will see me using this principle a lot. So let's go to the next chapter and learn a few more mysteries about how the brain works with light. Thank you.